Class 8 Arithmetic Exercise 14 from question number 34. The design is given here and the value of one of the triangle is given as 16, 12 and 20 centimeter. So I have taken here A, B, C as all the numbers. Find out S, that is semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C divide by 2. Value is 24. And then find out the value of area for that same triangle. After finding that value of that same triangle, you will get 96. Just find out in that question how many tiles are there. So you will get altogether 16 tiles. So 16 such triangle, you have to multiply 96 with 16, you will get your answer. As given in the question, 1 centimeter square cost for ₹1. So 536 centimeter square will cost, multiply by 1. Your correct answer is ₹1536. Same way we can find out question number 35. An umbrella is given here. The sides are given as 50, 20 and 50. So A, B and C. I have taken S. Then find out my area for the triangle. I got it 200√6. Value for √6 is 2.445449. This is greater than 5, so we can increase this number. So 2.45. In this question you can read it. How many triangles are there? So we have got 12 triangles. Multiply by 12. One more thing. This is an isosceles triangle. So also you can apply this formula b by 4 root under 4a square minus b square, and you can find out the same answer. You will get it. Now question number 36. You have to understand this question. Question number 36. The diagonal is given as, square diagonal is given as 44. So this is 44 and this also 44. That means half of this 22, 22, 22, 22. Altogether we have got 4 triangles. One more triangle is here. Now what to do? We have got some colors here in this figure. For area for the triangle, this triangle, and as we have studied earlier that the diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree in a rhombus. So each one 1, 2, 3, 4 we can find out half into base into height, half into base into height, base also 22, height also 22. Then green and fourth one is also given. But for the last one, which is the last one, look here, this triangle 20, 20 and 14. Isosceles triangle, or even you can find out with A, B and C. What I got, that is 3 into 7 root 39. We have to find out value for 39. Value for root 39 is 6.2449. You can just change or you can leave it like that. 21, whatever the value is given. Now area for the triangle for yellow. 2 triangles were given for yellow. One number 1 and number 2. So both the figures triangle I have added. I got my answer 484. Red, only one triangle we have got, so 242. But for the green one we have got again 2 triangles. Now add these 2, you will get your answer. Question number 37. Figure is given in your question. A rectangular lawn of 75 centimeter long and broad is given as 60 meter. Road is of 4 meter. So how to find out? First of all, try to find this road. ABCD, length into breadth, length into breadth. Just you can see this rectangular comes twice. Like this, again like this. It comes twice. So just you find out value, that is square, side is square. So add these 2 numbers but subtract this. Then you will get this area of a road. Add both of them and subtract 16, you will get area of road. As given in question that 1 centimeter square cost for ₹50. The total area which we have got, multiply by 50 and your correct answer is ₹26,200. Question number 38. You can find out it is in the shape of a trapezium. I have drawn the figure of trapezium. We have got area, half into sum of parallel sides into height. Parallel sides also we have got 6 plus 10, 16. If you solve, you will get the height of a trapezium, that is 80 meter, which has been asked as the depth of the canal. The depth of the canal is 80 meter, and that is your answer. Same way, question number 39. Here also we have got trapezium. What to find out? Area of a trapezium. All the sides are given. One side is given as 11, another is given as 25. Non-parallel sides is given as 15, and this is 13. So just draw a triangle. If this 13, this also 13. This total was 25. If I have taken here, this becomes a parallelogram, which means opposite sides are equal. If this is 11, this also comes 11. 25 minus 11, we will get 14. Now you can find this is a triangle here of 3 different sides. So S A plus B, area I got it as 84. Now what to do? Find out area of triangle. 84. Now area is half into base into height, that is 84. 1 by 2, base is given as this 14, and height is not known to us. We can easily write from here that half into 14 into height is not given is equals to 84. We can cut these two, we will get it 7. Now value for AQ is 84 divided by 7, that is 12. Actually, we have to find out the area of a trapezium, and area of a trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into height. Parallel side is given as 11 plus 25, and height just now we found, that is 12. This we can cut it. 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 1 3 into 6. 6 is a 36, carry 3. 6 3 is a 18, 19, 20, 21. So our final answer for question number 39 is 216 centimeter square.